this is your girl Jenese. Yes, your girl Jenese, and today I will be doing knotless braid on natural hair. Yes, let's go. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know down below in the comment what you think about this style. Enjoy. Hello everyone, again this is your girl Jenese, and these tutorials are for those who are really interested to become a hairdresser or a hairstylist rather, and somebody who wants to learn to do their own hair and so forth. Please note that at the first attempt you will not get it so maybe not perfect as how you want it, but I believe in practice, because practice. I have been braiding for years now, and I have seen myself grow over the period of time of doing the style over and over. So please don't beat up or get upset at your first attempt, your second attempt, or your third attempt, because even though I have been braiding for plenty years now, I still have my challenges in certain area where I really want to be perfect in. So you gotta really practice, really have passion for doing these type of work, because if you don't have no passion, it doesn't make no sense. If you're not interested in this or you want it for a hobby, go ahead by all means and learn these stuff, and let me know in the comment when you watch my videos or these particular videos, are you seeing the technique perfect enough, or you want me to do a more detailed video. Let me know in the comment, interact with me and let me know what you think. And also you can always comment below and let me know what style you want me to show you, right? What other video you want me to show you, or other technique. Thank you for watching. you have reached this far, I thank you for watching my video. I hope this inspired for you to do more hair or becoming the next hairstylist that you wish you want to be. Thank you all for watching. Thank you very much. Just comment down below and let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Would you get this hairstyle? Why or why not? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Remember that we can do all things through Christ who gives us strength.